We all have aspirations and dreams that we want to see come to fruition, but oftentimes it can be difficult to make them a reality. Setting goals is easy, but achieving them can be a different story. It's easy to start strong, but it's the consistency that will help you see them through to the end. Today, we're going to talk about how consistency can help you achieve your goals no matter what they are. But before we start the video, please smash the subscribe button and like the video if it's helpful. Let's start with the basics. Consistency means doing something regularly without fail. It's the little things that you do every day that add up to make a big difference. When it comes to achieving your goals, consistency is key. Whether you want to lose weight, save money, or start your own business, consistency is what will help you get there. For example, if you want to lose weight, you need to consistently make healthy choices in your diet and exercise routine. It may be easy to stick to a diet and exercise plan for a week, but the real test comes in sticking to it for months on end. The same applies to saving money. You need to consistently make smart financial decisions, like cutting back on unnecessary expenses and putting money into savings. And if you want to start your own business, you need to consistently work on your business plan, network, and market your products and services. But consistency isn't always easy. Life gets in the way and it can be easy to fall off track. But the key is to not let one setback discourage you from continuing to work towards your goal. It's important to remember that progress is not always linear, and that setbacks are a natural part of the process. You may not see the results you want as quickly as you'd like, but that doesn't mean you're not making progress. It's all about staying consistent and not giving up. And when you are consistent, the results will speak for themselves. Consistency helps you build momentum, making it easier to stay on track and reach your goals. The power of consistency is that it can help you turn your dreams into reality. It's about making small, consistent steps toward your goal, instead of trying to do everything all at once. And when you're consistent, it becomes a habit, something that you do without even thinking about it. So remember, consistency is key to achieving your goals. Don't give up, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. And if you're struggling to stay consistent, reach out for help. There's always someone who can help you stay on track. Maybe a friend, family member, or even a coach can help hold you accountable and keep you motivated. And don't forget to celebrate your progress and the small wins along the way. They will help keep you motivated and on track. In conclusion, consistency is the key to achieving your goals. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. It's not about being perfect every day, it's about showing up every day. And when you're consistent, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.